Hello everyone, you are watching Jaladhi of Technology YouTube channel. Today we can discuss pick leap year. You can give any year, need to check that year is a leap year or not in Python language. First you can create the file, check leap year, check leap.py. I will return like this. Now num I will write here equal to int input here, enter the year. Now I will write one if condition if year percentage 400 equal to 0 and year percentage 100 equal to 0. Print double quotations 0 is a leap year. Format year. It right here. Oh, that's correct only. Now else if I will write else if another for loop year percentage 4 equal to 0 and another year percentage 100 equal to 0. Then print, here I will print 0 is a leap year. Format right here. Else finally you can give else printf double quotations 0 is not a leap year, not a leap year. Format year. This is a leap year programming. Now we can run this program. We can check what is the output of this program. Now I will give 2000. 2000 is a leap year. That means that is divided modulo by 404. Suppose I will give one more num year 2010. We can give this one. 2010 is not a leap year. Like this, we can implement the leap year program. This is a leap year program in Python language. Could you please subscribe my channel and support me? My channel main intention is resolve the programming interviews. Who are attending interviews, we need to resolve the interviews. That means we can clear the interviews and we can happily join the organizations and work happily. And one more intention also, every student also need to learn for this one. This is a professional purpose and educational purpose. Both are my YouTube channel is preparing. Could you please subscribe and support me? I'm requesting multiple times. Please help me. Thank you for watching Jaladhi of Technology YouTube channel. We will meet next video.